Creating a Sarwa account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to get started. Download the Sarwa app. Get the app. Download the Sarwa app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install. Follow the prompts to install the app on your device. Start the sign-up process. Open the app. Launch the Sarwa app. Create account. Tap sign up or get started to begin the registration process. Provide personal information. Enter details. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, phone number, and create a secure password. Verify phone number. Confirm your phone number by entering the code sent to you via SMS. Complete identity verification. Upload documents. Provide necessary identification documents such as a valid passport or ID card and proof of address. Selfie verification. You might need to take a selfie for identity verification purposes. Answer financial questions. Risk assessment. Answer questions about your financial situation, investment goals, and risk tolerance to help Sarwa tailor recommendations. Fund your account. Deposit funds. Link your bank account and transfer funds into your Sarwa account. Review and start investing. Set up portfolio. Choose or customize your investment portfolio based on your preferences and goals.